ride till a year.
Opa.
Hey guys, let's line up over here. Dennis got a video camera. Line up over here and wave bye-bye to Dennis. Bye, Dennis.
Make sure he behaves.
Sim, pois é. Bastante não, a maioria. Aqui não, mas normalmente é.
No, it's not. It's just color pattern. Like that one has 4 socks. That one has no socks. It's not I mean, that's the yellow one. That's absolutely. That right there is quarter cost. See what this one is a saddlebag. There's over 200 different gated horses. That's a saddlebag. See how this is a lot faster and more sharp and No, you don't. I've never seen a bug.
Todos eles são.
That one's hiking.
That's like the purple donkey.
Casi.
La gente esa de la gente esa que vive por tu casa, que son los caballos grandes.
No, no, no.
¿Qué lo hacen ahora? Corren caballos. ¿Y corren caballo ahora?
Vaya le caen atrás. No.
Buddy wants to ride up there.
Mira qué linda. Mira qué linda se ve con su cosita de... Las moñitas de...
Oh, it's the boat girl?
Yeah.
They're so cute. Así como bueno, enseñale de chiquito para que no tenga miedo.
Pero no te vayas así, que tú estás muy bien
Look, right here.
You see them? They run that way?
No.
Ahora casi con la bola de vaca.
Oh, see, that's what the big horses are for, para jalar eso, ¿eh?
Dá medinho. Aí, o canal.
But I mean, it's a big hit because you can get any color, and most of the people when they're looking about
The people most when he come out red, they call him Santa Claus.
Which one?
the black and white. You guys walking on that front left leg weird.
So,
When you fall, I'm gonna hit you, okay?
I got him. Oh, I see my line. What's the name of the horse? No, the name that you used to call your horse.
Cochise?
Cochise, yeah. I thought it was Angel.
That was mine.
You had one called Angel, didn't you?
So wait.
Yeah, goes back.
You ain't got to think on how many horses it is.
You have no memory space.
But I empty. Oh, I didn't empty. I'll go empty soon. Wait a second. Hi, my love.
See the horse that right behind Jasmine? He's got drafted on his up. They call it sport horses. They're used primarily for jumping.
É o mesmo, né?
Nossa, mas ali é bem disciplinado, né?
Muito. Opa.
Let's try second horse in.
No, that's not.
Right there. Betty, right there. Betty one took off, running like somebody ain't got
Essa aqui é o retrato dele.
I was on horse one time. Me and my husband ride. One of the boys was riding with us, and he fell back. And then I like a jump to him up there. Four horses up there. He along with him. Took off. Like that. My horse heard the foot swung.
Yeah,
And he never didn't want to be behind.
yeah.
He took off. I took off. Fell off.
Even if you do have brakes, but when there's another horse running, it's race, it's competition. Let's go, let's go.
They hear another horse running, they want to run too.
Uh-huh. When I was a kid, my brother used to,
That's dangerous for her to run.
on the side, yeah, that's what I used to see 2 horses fall down first thing.
Definitely put you on the ground.
I lived right off the road from Brighton, right there in Okeechobee, and running out, hit that hard road and killed the girl, split her head from forehead all the way back. Killed her instantly. Broke the horse's leg, everything.
But you know, a lot of things. If you fall off, you ain't gonna get hit. You never know.
Yeah.
You could either get a leg broke, your arm broke, real broke. You never know.
Back broke,
They
anything.
cry.
Yeah.
That's why you should get a bike. That's why you should get a bike.
Get a bite.
Get a bike and wear a helmet, knee pads, wrist pads, and everything, huh?
Be on 4, 5.
Tinha mais 4?
Quer? Quer?
Umas quantas aqui.
Ah,